Walk us through. What do you mean it's not a bat virus and it's not natural, it's man-made?
Okay, so this is not a bat virus directly jump into human, and this is a virus based on a bat virus, which is discovered by PLA and owned by them, and going through the engineering modified in the lab, and also going through the serial passage in the animals to make it focus on human. So that's why we can say it's very powerful for human being now. So what we can say is there are very solid evidence. Simply, I can tell our audience that it's like we check something based on our fingerprint, and for the virus, the fingerprint is their genome. So we can see all this kind of evidence from their genome. That's also why in the beginning of the outbreak, China government tried to postpone the publish of the genome sequence and even change it because they initially put some wrong genome sequence to NIH database. And these are the things later be reviewed by me through Mr. Luder's YouTube, and then they quickly the next day submit Bat Woman Shi Zhenli's Nature paper, which was published on 3rd February about the RATG13 virus. And then the CCP controlled and influenced the whole scientific field, and WHO, these people, they start to tell people this is the real origin, and mislead, drive the attention from the real origin of the virus to the RATG13 and build something based on that. 12th January, they upload the wrong one, which include some wrong information inside, and based on that, the virologist, the scientists cannot trace it back to the Zhoushan bat virus, which I mean the backbone for the SARS-CoV-2 owned by PLA. But one day later, 13th January, please notice that day is the day that the first overseas cases happened in Thailand. So that means people from overseas can also get a virus sample. They also can isolate it, and also people will see the problem between the wrong genome sequence and the real.
You're saying they would be caught in a lie. This would be shown.
They can be. They know that.